Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be a very exciting vlog because the iPhone 13 just released and I got my delivery. I'm going to go unbox it now and share it with you guys. I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max and yeah, I'm really excited about it. So let's get into the unboxing. Then I have some errands I'm going to run, and I actually am going to film, once I get the phone activated and all, I'm going to film the rest of this vlog on my new iPhone. So yeah, let's just get into it. So guys, here's my phone. I just activated it, so everything's still downloading. I need to update like my apps and stuff. But yes, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is a significant upgrade for me because I had the iPhone XS Max, which I got when it released in 2018. So yeah, that's 3 years old, like very old. I really was excited about all the camera features on this phone. Like look at the camera, like the camera's there. I'm excited to test it out. I'm actually going to film the rest of this vlog using my iPhone just to see. I don't have a case yet. I ordered a case and like a screen protector on Amazon, so I'm not going to get that for another day or so, but I'm going to just be extra careful until then. Then again, I'm filming. So anyways, I'm at Target now. I'm picking up a Target order and then I'm going to Trader Joe's. But I'm actually going to go in Target because their designer collection released today. I just want to see. Some of the pieces do look good in photos, but you know, I want to see what it looks like in person. If they have, I don't know if this was really hyped up. Like I don't even see people talking about it online really. So I'll see what they have at this Target, but I'm literally just going in to like check out the designer pieces, and if there's anything that like I must have that I'm worried about selling out, I'll pick up. Now I'll just show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll tell you guys my opinions on it. After this, I'm going to Trader Joe's, which I'm excited because a lot of Trader Joe's like fall items are in stores now. So I'm just going to do a quick grocery shop. My Target people are coming. They're loading my car. I love it here. I love it here at Target. Like it makes my very ridiculously busy life. It's just one less thing to worry about. So let's go check that out, and then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. I'll show you guys what I get from Trader Joe's. I'm just doing like a very quick like in and out grocery shop, and then I just want to hang out for the weekend. I want to see a movie, the new movie out in theaters, Malignant. Actually I think I'm gonna watch that. I'm actually gonna watch that with a friend though on HBO Max, because I have HBO Max and I get a lot of movie theater releases on HBO Max, so we're gonna watch that and probably get I don't know, like takeout and wine is needed for sure. So yeah, let's just finish up the vlog on my iPhone. And yeah, so now I'm gonna park in a different spot and go into Target and check out the designer collection. This was a super exciting weekend for releases though, because we've had the Target designer collaboration, Starbucks cup release day on Tuesday. Starbucks released their Halloween cups. I did not do any cup hunting at all. The only cup I wanted was the green neon studded cup in Grande, and I already had it, so I didn't need to worry with the release And I didn't even know. I thought that that cup was supposed to be released in at the end of August, because a lot of people got it at the end of August. I ended up having to purchase my cup from Poshmark because I couldn't find it and I wanted the neon green. I'm just moving to an actual spot because I was in the pickup spot. So let's go into Target. So I need sunglasses now. So I'm switching to my iPhone. Yeah.